A breaker lock for a dishwasher is a small plastic or metal device designed to fit over the circuit breaker and prevent it from being accidentally turned off. When a dishwasher is installed, it requires a dedicated circuit breaker in the electrical panel. This breaker protects the appliance from overloads and short circuits. Accidental turning off of the breaker could stop the dishwasher from running properly. The breaker lock prevents this. It physically blocks the breaker from being switched off, ensuring continuous power to the dishwasher for proper operation. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, doesn't specifically mandate breaker locks for dishwashers in every situation. However, local codes and regulations often require them. The reasoning behind this is safety and convenience. Firstly, safety is paramount. By preventing accidental disconnections, the risk of electrical shock during maintenance or repair is reduced. Secondly, convenience is a factor. Imagine starting a dishwasher cycle only to have someone unknowingly switch off the breaker, interrupting the cleaning process. A breaker lock prevents such inconveniences. Breaker locks come in various designs. Some are simple plastic clips that snap onto the breaker switch, while others are more robust metal devices that require screws for installation. The choice depends on the breaker type and the level of security desired. Installation is usually straightforward. Firstly, turn off the breaker. Secondly, attach the breaker lock over the switch. Thirdly, secure it according to the manufacturer's instructions. For plastic clips, this might involve snapping them into place. For metal locks, it could mean tightening screws. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for proper installation. Consider a 120 volts dishwasher connected to a 20 amp circuit breaker. If the breaker trips due to an overload, a breaker lock won't prevent the trip. It only prevents manual, accidental shutoffs. Breaker locks are not a substitute for proper electrical work or safety precautions. Always consult a qualified electrician for any electrical work. The NEC Article 422.31b and c address the disconnecting means for appliances. This could be used by the local authority as basis to request the lock and the breaker. Also, NEC Article 110.3b states that listed or labelled equipment shall be installed and used in accordance with any instructions included in a listing or labelling. Depending on the manufacturer's instructions, a breaker lock could be a requirement for the dishwasher installation. Some municipalities may also have local amendments to the NEC that specifically require breaker locks for certain appliances. If there is no specific local amendment, the electrical inspector might be referencing the general requirement for maintaining electrical safety and preventing accidental disconnection of essential appliances. The electrical inspector's request highlights the importance of adhering to local electrical codes and best practices for safety. Even if not explicitly required by the NEC, using a breaker lock on a dishwasher circuit is a proactive safety measure. It ensures uninterrupted operation of the appliance and minimizes the risk of accidental electrical shock.